Katie Price was told by a judge that she's extremely lucky as she walked free from court today. The former glamour model, 43, had pleaded guilty to a string of driving offences, including drink driving, after crashing her car on a country road near her Sussex home. She admitted herself that she could have killed someone, and told police officers on the scene that she'd been taking drugs and shouldn't be driving. Appearing at Crawley Magistrates Court today, she was handed a 16-week prison sentence suspended for 12 months, 100 hours of unpaid community work, and her 2-year driving ban was kept in place. She kept a straight face and wore a mask over her nose and mouth as she left the court, free to return home. District Judge Amanda Cayley told her, "I cannot send you to jail today even though you may deserve to spend Christmas behind bars. You are extremely lucky." The magistrates on a previous occasion decided to defer their decision. After sentence was passed, the court heard how Katie currently owes thousands of pounds in court costs for previous instances. Before today, she owed £7,358. At today's hearing, she was ordered to pay another £213, which is made up of £85 court costs and a £128 victim surcharge. The mum of 5 had pleaded guilty after being charged with driving while unfit to drive through drink, using a motor vehicle on a public place without third-party insurance, and driving while disqualified. District Judge Kelly told her, "When you chose to get behind the wheel that night, you showed no concern for others. You could have killed somebody. Your actions meant the emergency services had to use up their precious time. You knowingly and deliberately flouted a court order, and not for the first time. You seem to think you are above the law." Sussex Live reported a witness to the crash, a Mr. Marchant, had pulled Katie from the wreckage. He said she had fallen into the passenger seat and the car was on its side. Mr. Marchant managed to remove the window and pulled her from the damaged car. Police arrived soon after. Prosecutor Jonathan Karani said Katie said at the scene of the crash, "I was just going to a friend's, but I know I shouldn't be driving." The prosecution added that Katie had an alcohol level from a breath test of 66 mg, almost twice the legal limit of 35 mg. She had consumed cocaine, vodka and lemonade before the crash. The prosecution added, "There is no evidence Katie Price has been anything but cooperative," referencing the ongoing proceedings. Defense barrister Joe Harrington told the court, "This is a lady with an awful lot going on." Mr. Harrington referenced the fact that Katie has 5 children as well as ongoing court matters with regards to bankruptcy. He added, "Things tend to be complicated with this lady." The Star's defense barrister asked for the court to consider imposing a community order or a suspended sentence, as well as a drink-drive rehabilitation course.